Now I'll throw a picture up of what this looked like before. I didn't go into the installation, but let me show you how easy this was. I was very impressed with it. So look at the seat cushion by itself right here. It's padded right there. It has a waterproof property on it. The stitching looks really good on these things. Super comfortable to sit in. Has an airbag expansion right here, so they are safe for airbags. Has the headrest. The headrest just wraps around on top right there. Looks really good. Does that almost look factory? That is very impressive on how well that come together. You hook it right up under here. These hooks go down here. It was one of the easiest installations I've done. You guys see these little pucks right here? These little pucks hold this back cushion in, and then it has a pocket right here that you can put things, say like in any types of papers or maybe even a drink. I bet you could even set a cup down in there. Look at that. I could even put my Yeti cup down there if I want to. So that looked really good. Has this nice leather feel to it. Let me go around to the driver's side. Looking over the driver's side here, you see how clean this looks. Everybody, this is one of the better seat covers that I've had in any of my vehicles because it's one of these that kind of looks factory. When you put it all together, look at how nice these things came together. And I've got kind of a gray interior. The experience of this was super simple and the quality was very high quality. All the stitching, all of the like padding feels good. Now only time will tell as far as like how long they'll last, but looking at it right here, everybody, for about, it's been in here for almost 2 weeks now. I think they're going to do great. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, leather looking seat cushions. See you on the next video.